Fixing Amazon Prime is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. First, ensure you have a stable and reliable internet connection. A poor or intermittent connection can cause this error. Try restarting your router or connecting to a different network if possible. If you're experiencing the error on a smart TV, streaming device, or mobile device, try restarting the device. This can help clear any temporary glitches or issues that can cause the error. Now make sure that you're using the latest version of the Amazon Prime Video application. Updates often include bug fixes and improvements that can address the issue. You can check for updates in your device's App Store. If you're using the Amazon Prime Video app on a mobile device, try clearing the app's cache and data. This can help resolve any corrupt data that may be causing the issue. You can usually find these options in the app settings on your device. Sometimes playback issues can occur due to service outages or maintenance on Amazon's end. Check the official Amazon Prime Video Twitter account or other sources for any announcements about service disruptions. If you're experiencing the issue with a specific video or channel, try watching a different program to see if the issue persists. This can help determine if the problem is with the specific content or it's a broader issue affecting all. Lowering the playback quality can sometimes help with playback issues, especially if you have slower internet connection. You can usually adjust the video quality in the settings menu of the Amazon Prime Video application. Now, ensure that your device is compatible with Amazon Prime Video. Older devices or those with outdated operating systems may encounter compatibility issues, which can cause playback errors. If none of these steps resolve the issue, consider reaching out to Amazon Prime Video support for further assistance. They may be able to provide troubleshooting steps specific to your account or device.